Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are cracking the code on some of the shortest, most confusing questions in English. Someone hits you with "how come" or "what gives" and your brain just stalls. You know you have to answer, but you freeze up, because these aren't typical questions. Ready to sound smooth? Let's jump in! Let's start with the questions that all secretly mean why. How come is just a casual, quick way of saying "why is that?" or "why did that happen?" For example, "Hey, you look tired today, how come?" "Because I stayed up late studying." Next we have "how so?" This is used when you are surprised by a statement and need clarification how that statement is true. Like in, "I think chocolate ice cream is the best flavor for winter." How so? Because it's rich and comforting. These next phrases are about checking the status of a situation or asking for a hidden reason. "What gives" is super casual and often used when something is wrong, weird, or confusing. It basically means "what's the problem?" or "what's the situation here?" For instance, you walk into a meeting room and everyone is quiet and looking worried. "Wow, what gives? We are waiting for the boss to arrive." "What for" is a quick, sometimes blunt way of saying "why are you doing that?" or "what is the purpose of this?" To demonstrate, someone hands you an empty box. What for? It's for packing up the old files. Now let's look at the phrases used to challenge someone or check if everything is finalized. Now "what" is asked when one action is finished and you're wondering what the next step is. It means what happens next or what should we do now. For example, "Okay, the report is finished and sent. Now what? Now we wait for their feedback." These are very casual and common ways to ask if someone is okay, comfortable, or if a situation is settled. "You good" means "are you okay?" or "do you need anything?" "We good" means "are we all in agreement?" or "is our situation okay?" Like in, "After a long journey. Alright, we are here. You good?" "Yeah, I'm fine, thanks." After solving a small disagreement. "So we are going with my idea. We good?" "All good here." So "what" means "why does that matter?" or "that's not important." Be careful with the tone, as it can sound a bit rude. For instance, "Oh no, it's raining outside." "So what?" "So we have to change our plans." This is a very common and friendly way to ask if someone is prepared or if everything is ready. It means "are you ready?" or "is everything prepared?" To demonstrate, before leaving for an event, keys, phones, wallet, all set? Yep, all set, ready to go. Very straightforward. "Where to" is a quick way to ask where should we go or what is our next destination. To illustrate, you just finished eating at a restaurant looking at your friend. Where to? Let's head to the coffee shop. Fantastic job today! We learned that short questions require short, direct answers. Next time someone asks you "how come?" or "what gives?", you will know exactly how to reply. If this video helped you stop freezing up, please hit that like button and subscribe for more English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.